Greetings and welcome to my channel, The Healthy Voice. This month I'm doing something special. I am sharing with you guys some of the content that I create especially for my private Healthy Voice community. Every week I put out 3 warm-up videos based on the month's theme. So far we have done month-long themes such as resonance, voice control, breath support, throat release. And this month we're doing your body, your voice. And so every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I put out a different vocal exercise. And on Fridays, I always do one especially made for speech and diction. They're a lot of fun and everybody really enjoys participating in them. And so, since this is the month where I'm really trying to promote the Healthy Voice community, because in May, the prices are going to go up. So if you want to get locked into the current price, you have to sign up now, or else after May, the prices will go up just slightly, but it's great if you could save a few dollars. So today I'm going to give you 3 warm-ups from the private Healthy Voice community. And then next Wednesday I will do the same and the following after that. Each one will be based on one particular theme. And today's warm-up videos are called the Foundational Workout. Greetings, community. Today we're going to focus on breath. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to just sit upright and let's take a deep breath in through our nose and sigh it out. We'll do that 2 more times. Now, let's go ahead and do our breathing through a straw technique. So we're going to sip air slowly through a straw, hold it at the top, and slowly blow it out. If any of you have ever engaged in any kind of smoking, you can try to use your muscle memory to replicate that feeling of sucking in the air and then slowly blowing it out. So here we go. Now put your hands on your belly. And we're going to, I'm in the upper part. We're going to breathe in. And on the exhale, instead of breathing, we're going to go ha until we run out of air. We'll do that 3 times. Here we go. Ha. Notice your stomach muscles engaging. Now take one hand on your belly and I want you to feel your stomach muscles kick out as you go ha, 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 ha. Now we're going to do our warm-up using that movement and that sound on these pitches. Ha, 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 ha. Ha 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 job. That's your Monday warm-up. I'll see you guys in the next warm-up video on Wednesday. Happy Monday. Today, we're going to focus on breath support and holding our pitch on the breath for an extended ascending 5-note scale. So let's go ahead and bring our attention to our breath. Let's take an inhale, sigh it out. Ha. Again. Ha. One more. Ha. So today's warm-up will be 5-note ascending scales. And what we want to do this time is we're going to take our time filling the belly up so that more air goes into our lungs as we sing on what would be an exhale, like this. So actually you could put your hand on your belly to feel the muscles. I want you to start to get comfortable engaging with the muscles and understanding when they are expanding. So I'll expand. Then we expand. So we're extending the note before we expand and start it over. All right, here we go. Expand. 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 Always with an open throat. Corners in. Relax the jaw. Expand the rib cage. Good warm up, everybody. See you in the next one. Well, hello, Healthy Voice community. It's time for our weekday warm-ups. And since this month's theme is resonance, we're going to do a resonance building exercise. Humming is a great way to get in touch with the resonators in our face. So we're going to do an exercise that sounds like this. So we start up here on a drop to an ah. Keep everything in the front of your face as you drop to the ah. And as you go up, keep it in the front. Ah. Greetings, everybody. Today's practice is a speech exercise. Speaking and doing speech exercises is just as important as singing exercises. And from my personal experience, the two serve each other. So even if you're just focused on, if you're most interested in improving your singing voice, these speech exercises that we will be exploring are very helpful. And it's also great to give you a chance to practice using good vocal technique in your speech. And today's exercise is based on something called the broad A sound. So we're going to do our open throat technique, but first let's go ahead and relieve any tension that we might feel in our body. So take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Again. One more time. Now we'll do that open throat technique where we gasp, hold the throat open, and sing a gentle ah, like this. Again. One more time. You may notice my jaw is hanging open and the corners of my mouth are tucked in and my tongue is pressing down so that you can see all the way to the back of my throat. The tip of my tongue is at the bottom of the bottom layer of teeth. Watch again and join me. So as we do our broad A sound or an ah sound, now this sound can be made with an AW, as in awesome. Say awesome, awesome. And an O sound like odd, ODD, odd. Say odd. Now let's take the shortened version of the word awesome, which is odd, AWED, odd. And it's sound-alike word, but spelled with an O, odd. Odd, 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 odd. Each one requires a dropped tongue and a relaxed open throat. So let's do a few words. I want you to try to repeat after me. And just do your best and try to stay as relaxed as possible. Dawn, dawn. And I'm going to do those two words again. We're doing D-A-W-N and D-O-N. Dawn, dawn. Okay. Haul, hop, box, fawn, fond, jaw, jut, maul, mop, raw, rod, vault, volley, nod, knot, sought, sod. Okay, very good. So that's your warm-up for today. All about speech, opening up the throat and trying to stay as relaxed as possible with that tongue laying flat so that more sound can come through. Trying to keep a nice relaxed throat and chest. You always have the audible side to help you out. All right, I'll see you guys in next week's warm-up videos. Well, I hope you enjoyed those videos. Like I said, that's a preview of some of the many warm-up and exercise videos I offer in the Healthy Voice community, and that library is growing each and every week. So if you would like more exercises like that, as well as live instruction, replays of entire live performance classes and toning exercises and sound healing and songwriting, please check out the Healthy Voice community. If you're not somebody who likes to get involved with communities, I totally understand. That's why I designed the Voice Liberation Method. It's a 7-week self-paced course meant to give you the foundation of everything that I do here, everything from classical vocal technique to guided visualizations to toning sessions that are meant to help you heal the points in your body where you're holding on to stuck trauma, stuck memories, things that are holding you back and creating tension patterns that are making it difficult for you to speak or sing freely. So check those out in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this compilation video of 3 warm-up exercises. Look forward to the next one next Wednesday and the week after that. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.